Weans a flock, Frae heaven got, grandest gift is ae begot, joys and handlings we hae got, to rear the yins that we hae got. Shucks and valleys wa na dut, deepest yins be riven ut. We hae nae wa to scramble it, we hae nae wa to drag them ut. Peerin dun wa throbbing heart, recht a terror for useless being. Greeting depth, the base to tame, looking in as warriors fecht. Providence gathered in the nicht, ye cannae see but ill berecht. Weavers shuttle pattern cleath, for yell the good be in their place. Warriors fecht wi mortals foe, rich man's daughter, pauper's son, lichted candle or folded hand, frae Dairkest valley cometh hame. Drecht on day that I set it, and set my foot within Scuil-Hoose. Cursed place yin jailhouse fraught, lured in, knocked in, and never taught. Seal me doom for nae cut it, victim o' my time and lot. Sally ne'er my buttock got, but again heed would ae begot. Wi' purple speed fae on my face, sprackle dun could ne'er get up. Tried your beast but petered it, ye worked mere hard but standing still. Word in the page could ne'er be got, then shameful wailing he always got. Stand till your feet read out your words, inside your cell ye die yins mere. Glint a lech the final day, sprint out the deer and there be back. Dust a shook frae if my foot, but stinging tail it ne'er ends, and cursed loose it clingeth in. With Dairkest heart boss ass o' thee, the one very thing ye dinna hae. Dexterous hands nothing till thee, nor wisdom gat ill by yoursel. Wi' wistful glance ye na look back, your doom was fixed so lang ago. Dull moon licht a sullen sky, skulks on presence ere so nigh. Dairkest gloom at lips arun, sleek at base wi' jagged tooth, bites and gnaws and chews at thee, tae the bane or tae the soul. Pain fae rip a searing fleesh, but is no wound upon my flesh. I hae look see if till see, truth be told fear meer than me. Creeping, lurking, scuttling, run, shrieks and hollers fill the grun. Sora drops my head wa pain, legs a leading, fluttering breast. I lift mine eyes, the darkness filled, but in the gloom nae in my tod. We hear the voice a dreamlike trance, memory thuchin, fearful dread. These the ones that ill draw nigh, another's voice ye never hear. Jabbered thucht it shrieketh clear, cowl as if the nicht that comes, sleep it flees awa frae thee. Ghostly ghouls that now hae fled, only substance in your head. Nicht that stretches e'en and e'en, sleep it comes before the dawn. Perfect curse the second yin, wa the rise, a sullen morn.